Hammy kids.
The Adventures of Letter A. Ahoy there, kids, it's me, the A. I'm awesome, astounding, and here to play. I'm an acrobat flipping in the air, and I'll teach you words if you dare. Apple and antelope start with me. I'm the anchor for an ABC spree. Aliens love me. They shout, A-OK, as they zoom in their saucers far, far away. I'm in aprons for baking an apricot pie, and alligator mouths snapping up flies. I'm the A in astronaut, soaring so high, adventuring wildly across the sky. But sometimes, oh dear, I cause a fuss. I'm in ACHOO when you sneeze on the bus. And aardvark? Admit it, it's kind of absurd. I hang out in the strangest of words. So here's to the A letter so cool, always first, it's the alphabet rule. I'm amazing, amusing, and always in style. The alphabet's ace. Now give me a smile.